You're watching how Leap lets use AI to analyze your website. First, for SEO and technical health, use tools like SEMrush or Screaming Frog with AI features. They crawl your site, identifying broken links, slow pages, and SEO issues, then provide AI-generated fixes. Second, for user behavior, use Hotjar or Microsoft Clarity. These tools use AI to analyze heat maps and session recordings, showing you where users click, scroll, and get stuck. Third, for content analysis, use Google's Natural Language API or Phrase. They analyze your page text for sentiment, keywords, and topical relevance, suggesting improvements to match search intent. Finally, for competitor benchmarking, AI tools like SimilarWeb compare your traffic and engagement against competitors. Integrate these insights to optimize performance. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.